And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a passport icon. We'll start with the rectangle tool. Drag this circle downwards to have rounded corners. Click on the X to get rid of the fill, and hold Shift and select the color for the stroke. I use black. Use the rectangle tool again and drag the circle down to the max. So it's completely rounded at the top and bottom. We create a rectangle on top. Drag the circle upwards. Give it a fill, no stroke. Disable the snapping and reposition that, then shift click on the black rectangle with the stroke. Go to path and difference. This is how you can create this cutoff. And if you want to transform that, you can simply do that with the cursor tool. Now create a circle, hold Ctrl and Shift when you do. Give it a black stroke, no fill. Shift click on both, object, align and distribute, and align it to the center. Maybe I size the circle down. When you size it up or down, hold Ctrl and Shift. Let us use the Bezier tool. Hold Ctrl when you drag this line. Press Ctrl D, hold Ctrl and drag a copy downwards. Hold Shift when you resize that to the right, and it will be resized to the left automatically. Repeat the process, Ctrl D, and drag it downwards holding Ctrl. Select all of the lines, and then use this distribute function. And select all of the lines and press Ctrl G to group it. Then shift click on a big rectangle and again align it. Shift click on the two elements on the left, Ctrl G, shift click on the big rectangle, align it once more. When you resize your big rectangle, hold Shift. Let me increase the stroke weight here, maybe to 5. Let me go to 4, that's fine. If you want to give it a round cap, you need to ungroup it first. So Shift Ctrl G, and afterwards they're all selected, and you can apply the round cap and then press Ctrl G again to group it. And this is how you can create such a passport icon in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.